Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a faceless YouTube video with just few simple steps. The name of the tool is Vidnoz, and we're gonna use these tools to generate amazing AI avatars and create faceless videos with the help of AI. So let's jump right in. Click on the link in the description and then click on login and sign in with your Google account. This is the home page. And if you go on the left and click on tools, you can see there are a bunch of other AI tools under one roof. There is AI text to speech, text to video, AI cartoon generator, AI background remover, AI face wrapper, and you can check out all of these cool AI tools. From the left, if you click on avatars, and then you have all these talking avatars in your arsenal. You can simply click on it.
Vidnoz, AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceover.
And then you can simply click on create the video with this avatar. But for our video, we're going to use the template feature. Just click on templates. And then from here, we can select any of these pre-made templates. We're going to make a video for our YouTube short, so I'll select the portrait mode. In here, you have different categories. There's tutorial, explainer, social media, breaking news, promos, advertisement, and you have a lot of different template options. So select the template you like. Let's say I'm going to use this template.
Welcome to this daily quote video template.
And then click on use this template. From your right side, you can select your voiceover features. The first one is voiceover from text. All you have to do is just select your voice and enter your text, and the AI will generate a voiceover for it. So let's select our voice.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high quality.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to. Vidnoz AI brings your.
Let's just use this. I'll click on it and then click on OK. Let's enter our text here. You can even upload your own voice, or you can use no speech at all. So once you are done writing the text, click on generate. Alright, so our video is ready. Let's watch it.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my video. Whether you're here for motivation or just to share good vibes, you're in for a treat. Grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's make this video a moment of positivity together. Ready? Let's roll.
Alright, now let's go back to the video and customize it. Select the video and click on edit. Now let's customize it. Click on this plus icon and add one more slide. Now I'm gonna click here and change the text. Now let's check out all these different tools. The first one, we have the avatar. From here you can change your avatar and select any of these. Let's say I'm going to use this. After that you have the text. You can add shapes from here. And after that you can even change the background. You can select any of the stock images or you can upload your own. Up next we have the stickers. In here you can select any of these animated stickers and make your video unique. The next one, we have the video option where you can add any of the stock footages for free. We have the image option as well. And you can even add the background music for your video. You can select any of these free audios and you can use it in your content. Alright, let's add one more scene here. Change the avatar maybe. You can change the color of the background if you want. You can animate it as well. Just click on it and then click here for the animation. Alright, so we have done with the edits. After that, from here, we can even select the speed and you can select the subtitles from here. Let's just turn it off for now and then I'll click on generate. And there you have it, our video is ready.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my video. Whether you're here for motivation or just to share good vibes, you're in for a treat. Grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's make this video a moment of positivity together. Ready? Let's roll.
Embrace the beauty of today and let it inspire your tomorrow.
In the journey of life, find joy in the small moments, for they are the ones that truly matter.
Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Spread it everywhere you go.
Alright, so there you have it, folks. That was a simple way to create your faceless video with just few simple steps. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.